get you a present. Here it is.
It is present.
Oh, thanks. Let's go try them on.
Okay, that's a idea.
Let's go.
We can try it on.
Yeah, no, it's not done. We gave our presents late, so we have to go to sleep.
Yeah, it's not because it's raining. Mommy's yawning.
What should we eat for breakfast? Do you want to eat waffles?
No, I think I want pancake.
Well, we're done eating now. What do you want to do?
I think we have to go playtime.
Well, I'm too tired of playing. Yeah. So,
I think we can go take a nap.
well, that's a great idea. Let's go.
And now it's no more sleepy time.
Nope, we are gonna go build a snowman.
Yes, go inside and go build a snowman.
And then after we're done, we can eat lunch.
Yeah, that's a whole dance. And then we'll go take a nap and then we'll go to school.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
For giving me his shirt.
It come. Sorry, I'm sorry. Thanks.
Yeah, let's go try them on. They're so perfect. Let's go.
Yeah. And try it on.
But I don't feel like putting them on and putting on the
Okay, go
plane.
take a nap and then we'll go to school.
But I don't know if I want to go to school. It's the weekends today.
But we had to go. Daddy's. I tell my dad and my mom.
Well, we have a lot of chores to do, right?
I think we can go play in the park.
Well, my feet is too sore to run today. We should have just walked for a mile.
No, I think I'm going to take a little nap.
Okay, go take a nap. I'm gonna go walk.
Okay, bye. Oh, it's funny. You're here. Give me a hug.
Thanks. I'm done with my bog. Are you done with your mat?
Oh, yeah. I got to be right back. It's my mom and dad.
Okay, bye.
I got to go. First, I got to go back at Grandma's house.
Okay, bye.
Bye. I'm finally here.
Yeah, and my mom got a new baby sister. Want to hold it?
Sure. Oh, he's so cute.
Yes, her name's Kayla. She's so beautiful.
Yes, he's so wicked.
She is my queen. She helps me with everything.
Oh, yeah. I got to go.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
I got to go to walk.
Okay, bye.
Dad, what are you doing in the road?
Well, I just wanted to take a walk with you.
Well, you're going to take a nap. You're going to have a walk with me and my mom and dad.
I think my baby wants to talk. I did you gaga.
No, that's not a great one. That's a baby talking.
Maybe if she grows up, she can talk more better. Let's go.
No, first you have to eat apple baby food.
Yeah, now let's go buy some baby food.
Yeah.
Baby, how do you like it, fans?
Okay, now we have.
You got a new baby sister.
Well, not. Well, we're going back. I think I gotta go home now.
Hey, you stole my baby. Give me my baby back. You switched.
Oh yeah, we are that. Thank you for giving me my baby back.
Yeah, thank you to you too.
I think I go back home.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Is there anything else you want to say before the play's done?
Okay, but I think it's going to be a birthday and my birthday, and it's our baby birthday.
Well, now we're done with the play. Maybe you'll come see us again.
Okay. I think it's time to see our mom and dad.
Okay, bye guys. Have a
I
nice
think
day.
our mom and dad are brothers, and our little baby sister is going to clean you up.
So maybe you guys can come again for another second play.
Yeah.